In this video, we will discuss the replacement options for the Honeywell 1GT101DC sensor, a Hall effect gear tooth sensor that belongs to the Honeywell 1GT series, which is now obsolete. The 1GT101DC sensor was widely used in industrial applications for speed and position sensing due to its compact design and reliable performance. However, since this product series has been discontinued, customers often ask about available replacement options. Let's review how to find the official information and what guidance is currently available. Go to Honeywell IA support portal. In the search window, type keywords such as 1GT101DC Hall effect gear tooth sensor replacement. A list of related knowledge articles will be displayed. Identify the resource article in the list. Open the resource article. Generally, a resource article is a comprehensive article that contains all relevant information, including product status, obsolescence notices, and available documentation. Currently, Honeywell SPS does not have a replacement product offering for the 1GT series, as this series has been officially obsolete. There is no direct Honeywell replacement available for the 1GT101DC sensor. As an alternative, we can only suggest contacting ZF Electronics, as they may offer a product with a similar form factor that customers can review and evaluate for their specific application. Please note that compatibility, mounting, and performance suitability must be confirmed directly with the alternative supplier. For additional technical details, such as datasheets, obsolescence notices, and supporting documentation, refer to the attachments provided in the article. Go to the Files section. Download the PDF files for more detailed information. Thank you for watching.